everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to send TikTok videos on WhatsApp without link. For that, get logged into your own TikTok account just like me. Here you can see that I'm already logged into my own account. And now, if you want to send this particular video, all you have to do is tap on this share icon just below save icon on the right corner here on the bottom. And then you'll get an option of copying link, keeping it as a status, and emailing and so many options over here. But on the first, you can see an option of WhatsApp. So if you have a WhatsApp running on your phone, you will get the WhatsApp option easily. Since I do have a WhatsApp option here, I'm going to tap on WhatsApp. You can do the same. Now I'm going to choose one of my friends that I want to send it to. As I've chosen her, I'm going to tap on this send icon on the bottom right corner here. As I do it, I will have an option of sending it to her by tapping on the send icon on the bottom right corner once again. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. For more videos just like this, subscribe to our channel and watch more of our videos. I'll see you in the next video.